Installation and removal of license plate frame. The frame has a base for attaching the license plate and a locking bar. Our company has developed its own frame construction with universal mounting that fits any car. The locking bar securely holds the license plate in place as it has 13 mounting points. We will show you how to install the license plate frame by Avtovin. Determine which of the mounting points is most suitable. Tighten the screws. Insert the license plate into the mounting base and press it to the top so the edges fit into the frame. Attach the locking bar to the base, starting from the central part. The frame is installed. Now, we will demonstrate how to remove the license plate from the frame. Remove the locking bar, starting from the central part, then the side mountings. After removing the locking bar, all the fasteners remain intact as it is designed for multiple uses. Carefully put the license plate down and remove it from the frame base.